friends, welcome to Boutique D Design. Myself Devuki Basu. My contact number is 91638606333 and my address is 51 by 1 Jagannath Ukil Road, Paschim Putiari, Kolkata 41 near Netaji Metro Station. I got a very good responses, so that I come again to show you my some cotton sarees. Okay, now this today's special episode on the cotton saree, cotton embroidery saree, Bengal cotton. All cottons are in Bengal cotton and hand embroideries. Okay, so if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and visit my Facebook page as well as my YouTube channel Boutique D Design, and subscribe my channel and share to as many as of your friends, colleagues and everyone. So let's start to see the sari. And through net banking you can transfer the money, and also the Google Pay. Through courier you will get your product, and take a screenshot of my this sari which you like it, and send it to my WhatsApp number 9163860633 at this number. So now my first sari, which is in one white and yellow velvet border cotton sari, which is called Taat, Bengal Taat. Okay, Bengal cotton, and on that I have made a handwork. See, this is, I'm showing you in the close up. These all are the hand stitch. Okay, on one this patchwork is on a silk material, silk cloth. I have made on this embroidery, and the applique, hand applique, I have done it. So this is the design. This is a pallu, and this whole body it's come like this. Okay, small motif is there, and embroidery, and with this matching 1 meter blouse piece on hand there is a embroidery. This sari price is 2600. Okay, including courier free shipping. You don't need to pay any courier charges. So this is my first sari. Okay, pure cotton with hand embroidery. Okay, hand stitch. All these sari are hand stitch. In palla, this portion will come and pleats. Okay, so this is a sari. Okay, and second sari, all have with blouse piece. This is also another cotton sari, which is in white and green panel. Okay, and the upper yoke border is green, and the lower yoke border is yellow and green. Okay, combination, and there is a one Gujarati work. Okay, Gujarati stitch, which is Kutch stitch, and also the painting. These are all paintings. Okay, this is a stitch, hand stitch, and this is a painting have done. Okay, see, the whole sari is comes like this. Okay, this is a front portion, and the pleats will come this. This is a pleat part. This is a pleat, and with this is a blouse piece. See, this is a matching blouse piece. Okay, these are pure cotton, 100% cotton, and hand work. Sorry, hand stitch, embroidery, hand stitch. This saree cost also is a 2600 with blouse piece. Okay. Next saree is in. Take a screenshot and send it to my my WhatsApp number 9163860633. This is next sari. See, this is also the Bengal cotton with the white and pink panel is there, and this is a palla. Now this is hand painting, but this one, the same flower which is in a embroidery. Okay, this is a hand stitch. Okay, so you want, this is also hand stitch. Okay, and between, okay, this blue one is a hand stitch, this pink one is hand stitch, but this is hand painted, this hand painted. So stitch and hand painted mixed, mix and match. Okay, I have done it in mix and match. This is a whole sari, and with this is a blouse piece, the embroidery blouse piece, the hand embroidery. Okay, so this is a full sari, and pleats will come. This one is pleats. Okay, this is a pleats. Very smart sari. Okay. Price is 2600. Okay. Now next sari is, this is one yellow zari stripe taat, Bengal cotton, and this border which is green and yellow checks, that is in separate, one separate cotton sari. I have, you know, attached with this like border. Okay, and this is a hand embroidery, this hand ari and red thread. I have done a hand ari stitch, hand embroidery. All these are hand embroidery. If I see on the black back side, this is also, this is, see, this threads comes, this is a hand embroidery. Okay, no any painting, nothing, pure hand embroidery. So this is comes upper yoke, this comes lower yoke. Okay, and the whole body come like this small motif, and the pleat part will come this. Again this design will come on your pleats. With this, as this is in the red thread work, this is a blouse piece. Very gorgeous sari. This price is 2800, 2800, including your shipping. See this. Next sari is very beautiful. I like this combination. It's a red, white and black one. This sari is a red, white and black panel taat, cotton sari. On that, in the red and black combination, I made the embroidery. These are embroidery, hand embroidery. These are embroidery. Okay. So this, yeah, this combination, and this blouse piece is in red. This is the blouse piece. Okay. This is a blouse piece, red blouse piece. Okay, white, red and black combination. See, it's very smart, very sleek design. And this is a pleat part. This is a pleats. This is also cost 2800 with free shipping. Next sari. This is also cotton embroidery, which one is Firoza color zari stripe, and this is a cut work. Okay, orange and rani thread cut work. This is a cut work. Okay, I mean throughout the upper border and lower border cut work have done, and this is a buta all over body. One is orange, one is rani colored buta. And this is a cut work, upper yoke and lower yoke. See the beautiful sari, and blouse piece is this one. This is a blouse piece with this. This is price also 2800. Okay, all these are hand stitch, hand embroidery, hand ari work. These sari all are the single piece, but if you order this sari, uh, I will try to make another piece, provided the same cotton material is available. This is a one black zari check taat sari. On that I have made an applique. Okay, and the one red printed material cloth, and I have done a hand applique. Okay, as this sari is already is gorgeous look, and yellow patti I have attached with this as a border, and this is a pleats will come. This is a patli pallu sari. The same printed material I have attached with for the pleats. Okay, and this is a blouse piece, and this is a blouse piece. On hand, this kind of you have a make a designer blouse for this sari. This is also 2800. Okay, please take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number, and please share with your friends and families and relatives, and subscribe my YouTube channel Boutique D Design. See, this is our next saree. This is a one grey color, light grey. Okay, grey color jari check top. On that I have made a Kutch design, Gujarati design, so embroidery, hand embroidery. This is a design. Okay, see the beautiful combination, bright combination, and the black border I have done throughout the saree, upper yoke and lower yoke. So this come with the upper yoke. Okay, and this comes in the lower yoke, this design. Okay, and the pleats will come this, the same design will come in the pleats. Okay, and this is a blouse piece, black embroidery. Okay, this price is also 2800 with shipping free, all over India, courier free. Please send me WhatsApp and take a screenshot and send to me in WhatsApp number at 9163860633 at this number. See, this is one pink velvet border cotton sari. This is a sea green border. Lower yoke is small border. Upper yoke is small border. Lower yoke is a broad border, and sea green. So on that I have made a Kutch work on sea green color. Okay, and the whole body is like this design, temple design. Okay, and in between small buta is there. Okay, and this is a blouse piece with this. Okay, so pleats will come this. Okay, so price is 2800. Now next is one red border, red sari, red zari stripe sari, sorry, red juri stripe sari, cotton sari, taat, Bengal taat. So on that upper yoke and lower yoke is temple design with Kutch work, hand embroidery Kutch work, and all over sari is like this buta, one green and yellow buta there, and this is a pallu. With this also have blouse pieces. I will provide to you when you book the blouse piece. This pleats will come. Okay. This is also 2600. This is also again one sea green color jari stripe top. On that I have made a Kutch design, Gujarati design on the royal blue thread, royal blue and sky blue. This border I have made in royal blue, and this is a palla. Okay, and this is the upper yoke will come like this, and lower yoke and upper yoke this kind of temple design will come. This is all. The split will come like this. The splits will also come like this. This is will be pleats. Okay. This is a pleat. And pleats also will get this temple design. Okay. This price also 2800, including courier charges. Through net banking and Google Pay, you can transfer the money. For booking, please send WhatsApp or can call. Take a screenshot and call me. That will be better. This is a half sari. One is white cotton sari, white cotton tat, and another is black cotton tat. So I attach those half portion and make a first half on white with applique. There's a badni, one printed badni material I have in cotton. So like this I have made a design. All these are hand applique, and small Kutch work also is there. Okay. This is a up to pleat portion, whole body up to pleat portion this design will come, and pleats will come on the just opposite, black and red. The front portion is white and black, and the red border I have given, and the pleat part will come black and red and some off-white touches there. All these are hand applique, and the blouse piece will come like this. The designer piece, blouse piece you have to make. Price is 2800. So if you like my video, please share, like and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Boutique B Design, and please send screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number at 9163860633, this number. So till then, goodbye. Thank you.